Hi, I'm Buster with A&B Wood Products, and back on this big piece of maple again. We got the two shorter chunks up here. We're cutting some cookies out of them, and then we'll be flipping and chopping up the rest of the big log. So got the first couple of cuts made. We're going to pull this off and then cut the rest of this here and see what we got.
So this is actually part 2 of the silver maple.
Frozen maple.
Yeah, of the frozen maple. You guys want to see what Buster bought me for my Christmas present? It's really pretty heart ring. It is so pretty. Oh, you gotta see if the hose is
Oh, the hose is frozen.
Oh.
Yeah, so.
Oh, those are gonna be cool.
Got some color to it. Too bad it's.
Well, we might not want to be putting it here since we're gonna have to get the forklift out.
Well, we'll just have to move it. We'll have to get the pallets and stack it and move it. We'll have to just bucket some water out. These things are gonna be heavy.
I don't even think you need to get water. You can see how pretty that is. Holy cow. This is some pretty wood.
Yeehaw. Watch it bounce.
I'm all gonna dive for it. Ooh, look at that. That is going to be something else. Wow. I'll get back since...
Stacked itself right up.
Yes, it did. Oh, it's gonna be something else, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, maybe after we get these cut up, we'll get some water and put on one or two. Yeah, we'll have to see if they almost see if they just go ahead and split, because it's got a little split in the center already. Hopefully they stay intact. Has some of that green spalting again.
Don't we have the hose from up front?
Yeah, but we don't have a spray nozzle on it.
We could take the spray nozzle off the other one and put it on there.
It doesn't come off.
Well, there's a spray nozzle up there too.
All right. Well,
okay, we'll be right back, guys. We missed the top one up. We measured it too much, so we cut that one in half. Didn't mean to show you my weirdo face. Be back and show you the cut in just a minute, guys. Okay, guys, so my husband went and cut all the what are these called? Cookies. And so we're gonna go down and show you all these. Plus he started to cut the big wood, but he ran into a problem with the blade. It hit something and broke the blade. So we're gonna make a part 3, but we're gonna show you all these cookies in part 2, and then we'll show you what we did cut off the big one, and then aren't those pretty? And then we'll do a part 3 and show you the rest of the big log.
Yeah, it didn't break the blade, just dulled it.
Well, dulled it really bad to where it won't cut very much.
Yeah,
God, aren't these pretty?
Pretty wild compression in them.
Yeah, they are. These are gorgeous.
We got the other.
Wow.
The other couple of forks.
Wow. Oh my.
I almost split that one in half.
Wow.
I took and rolled it off, and then I rolled the next one off and landed on top of it and almost busted it in half.
Oh wow. Wow, these are really pretty. Look at the green on these. Oh, those are really pretty. You did make a couple really nice coffee tables. Or end tables, I mean.
Yeah, see how they do that splitting.
Those are cool. Those are really neat. Looks like there's a soft spot in that one.
Yeah, there was another branch.
Huh. Wow, cool. Alright, and this is one of the big pieces that he managed to get off of it. And then, like I said, then we're going to have to go to round 3, part 3. So this would be part 2. And we'll post this tomorrow. Ooh, look at all that compression.
That's, even with the bark inclusion, it still has some feather down through it.
That is just gorgeous.
Yeah, this guy here.
And we will do a part 3, I promise, guys, and we'll get this. Fortunately, with all the snow that we got today, we were going to tape, but we got quite a bit of snow, and then my husband had that happen.
Yeah, I think something was in the bark inclusion, because it drug something through.
Oh, it's almost gone.
Yeah, it's almost down through the
Wow. So this is going to be some really prime wood, guys.
Yeah, it's going to be nice solid stuff, but whatever I hit here took out the blade.
Yeah, made it really wavy.
Yeah, so
But
I have to put another blade, flip it, and cut the rest.
Boy, this is going to be a really nice piece of wood, especially if we don't have any more of the worm problem, because that is literally all that's left is that, just that little bit. Oh, this is really cool wood. Oh, you did another one over there?
Yeah, this is the other. I got 2 slabs.
Oh, I guess he got one more, you guys. We get to see one more.
But the bark inclusion completely
Wow.
popped this one apart.
That's 2 tables.
Yeah.
Jeez. That is awesome, that compression on that.
Yeah, free worms.
Oh yeah, we got some wormage. We got a few wormage.
Yeah, but
They look a little deadish.
yeah, well, since the tree is no longer alive, they'll freeze now. 'Cause there's no metabolism in the tree to keep the tree a little warmer to keep it from freezing.
Wow, that is really cool, guys.
So now they'll just freeze in the slabs while it's drying.
Wow. Well, if you guys want some of this, let us know, okay? Because
Yeah, but it's still a decent sized chunk of wood.
yeah, very big,
You know.
very big. So if you guys want
Not
any of
quite
this,
a dining room table, but definitely a good coffee table or desk.
yep,
You can just take one half of it.
that's really cool. But if you guys want any of this, let us know, because like I said, all the wood that we cut pretty much is for sale. So
Or if somebody wanted a 60-inch round dining table, you could definitely cut. I don't know if I don't have tape measure.
actually, if you wanted to do a really big dining room, you just cut out the middle and do one of those epoxy pours.
Well, lengthwise.
That'd still make a really big coffee table.
Yeah,
I mean,
but you don't have an 8-foot table.
no, but that'd still make a
You can get 6 foot.
big dining room table.
But you could get a 65-inch circular table pretty easily.
Yeah.
You know, which would still make a decent sized kitchen table.
Yeah.
But anyway, if you're in southwest Idaho and have a big log, we can cut it up for you. 208-447-9691. Thanks for watching.
And guys, please like and share and subscribe. We are so close, but so far away to getting that 1,000 mark, because we are going to give a $500 gift card away once we hit that 1,000 mark. So everybody that has subscribed and has at least commented once, they will be added into the pot to win that prize once we hit that 1,000 mark. So tell your friends and everybody, you know, it's going to be easy money if you win. So have them all subscribe, and if you and better your guys' chance on winning if you get more people in your family to subscribe. So, ooh, that's really pretty. What is that?
Cherry.
Huh. That is interesting.
Little cherry. I cut some chunks of cherry up into like 1-inch boards.
That is interesting.
It does have some pretty color to it.
Yeah, it is.
It was just a small piece, so I hacked it. Hacked it up, just threw it on there and chopped it up just to make some little boards. Figured jewelry boxes or whatever might be interested.
Yeah, that is cool. Anyway, guys, like I said, have everybody you can subscribe. Makes your guys' chances even better on getting that $500 prize that we're going to give away. It's a $500 Visa card. So, all right, guys. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Bye.